morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to start talking about patterns. I believe that we already started talking about patterns, but just to refresh our memory, a pattern is something that repeats itself. Okay, so we can figure out what the pattern is, and then we expect that it's going to keep repeating itself, and then we know what will come next. So if this is my pattern, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, what will come next? Yellow comes next, right? Because after every red cube, there is a yellow cube. So let's say our pattern again. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. What comes next? Red, right? Because after every yellow cube, there's a red cube. You guys are so smart. This is called an A-B pattern because we can say, well, I'll just connect these. That will make this next part easier. There's different names for patterns too. And this is called an A-B pattern because every yellow is what we call the A. We title it A. And then all of the reds are the B's. Okay? And it repeats A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. And we name the pattern the first part that gets repeated. So A, B, but once we get to one that we've already said, we don't name it that one. So you just name it A, B. So this is an A, B pattern. Let's look at another one. I might have to use some different cubes because I don't know if I have enough. All right, let's do blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Let's see what comes next. Blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. What comes next? Blue, right? Because after this yellow one, there's a blue one. Let's see what comes next. Blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue. You guys are so smart. Let's see what comes next. Let's do one more to this one. Blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Super awesome, you guys. I'm going to connect this one real quick. If this one was an A-B pattern, what do you think this pattern's going to be? We have two blues that are the same, or we have two cubes that are the same color, and every cube that's the same color gets the same letter. So we're going to say A, because they're the same color, but this one's a different color, so now we're going to say B. A, B, A, B. What is our pattern's name? Remember, we stop once we get to a letter that we've already said. A, B, A. Did we already say A? We did, so we stop right there. Our pattern's name is A-A-B. And remember that for both of these patterns, they can just keep going and going for as many cubes as we have. We can keep predicting what comes next, and they can just keep going, okay? So if this one's red, what comes next? Yellow. You're so smart. If this one's yellow, what comes next? Blue. Oh my goodness. Kiss your brain. So smart. You guys are like geniuses. Let's try. Where's my other orange? Hold on one second. My oranges have ran away. All right. That's okay. Let's do orange. Can you tell these ones apart? I don't like those two next to one another. They're too similar in color for you guys. I want you to really be able to tell the colors apart. And you're not going to be able to see my cubes on this one. That's okay. Orange, black, black, orange, black, black. Okay? Why don't I just stick these together when I build them? That makes sense, right? All right. Let's say this pattern, and then you tell me what comes next before I say it, okay? Orange, black, black, orange, black, black, orange. You're right. Let's keep adding. Orange, black, black, orange, black, black, orange, black. You're so right. Okay, let's keep going. Orange, black, black, orange, black, black, orange, black, black. Good job. All right. What do you think the letters, how do you think the letters are going to go on this pattern? It's going to be a little hard because you can't see that. And I don't think that I have a color that you are going to be able to see on here. Nope. All right. So I'm going to just do it underneath them, okay? So we have A. You can't see that. A. B. B. A. B. B. A. B. B. A is orange. And remember that the black is B. And this one's the same color, so it's the same letter. So this is how our letters go. What is the name of this pattern? A, B, B. A, we've already said A, so we stop there. What's the name of this pattern? A, B, B, you're right. I'll write that bigger. A, B, B is the name of this pattern. What if I did... I'm running out of cubes here, so we'll try to do this. What if I did red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Stick them together. And then let's see if we can expand or make this pattern bigger. Are you ready? Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. What comes next? Red. Okay, let's keep going. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue. You're so right. Okay, let's do it one more time. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. You guys are so smart. All right, let's write our letters. Okay, we always start with A. We always work our way through the alphabet. So red is A. Is blue the same color as A? No, blue's a different color, so we use a different letter. Is yellow the same color as blue or red? No, it's a different color, so it gets a different letter. And we work our way through the alphabet, so we have A, B, C. Red. Ooh, is red the same color as C or B or A? It's the same color as the cube A, right? So it is A. Blue is the same color as B. Yellow is the same color as C. Red is the same color as A, B, C. You guys are so smart. What is the name of this pattern? A, B, C, A. We've already said A, so what's the name of this pattern? A, B, C, right? A, B, C. Oops, you can't see that either. Good job, guys. So this is a quick, and we're going to keep going over this so that way we remember. But today, you guys are going to be practicing using A-B patterns, okay? I wrote on my table, which I don't super always highly recommend, but I'll fix it. So you're going to be practicing A-B patterns, which is two things that keep repeating, and this is what your page looks like. You have mittens and snowflakes, snowflakes and hats, scarves and snowflakes. Oh, look at this one. How many things do we have? We have snowflake, hat, scarf. That's 3 different things. What pattern do you think that one is? What pattern do you think that snowflake, hat, scarf is if you have 3 things that keep repeating? You have the ABC pattern, right? Let's look. A, B, C, A, B, C. So you do AB patterns up here, and then this last one is an ABC pattern. All right, so for this page, let me move my cubes out of the way. Down here at the bottom, you have 4 pattern pieces. You have a snowflake, a hat, a mitten, and a scarf. Up here, you have 4 patterns that are each missing the very last piece. And I want you to cut out these pieces at the bottom and then glue them on where they extend or make the pattern bigger. So snowflake, mitten, snowflake, snowflake, mitten. Am I going to put the scarf here? No, I'm not going to put the scarf here. There's no scarf in my pattern, so I'm not going to put the scarf here. My pattern has to repeat, so it either has to be a mitten or a snowflake. So it's going to be one of these 2. And then for this one, snowflake, hat, snowflake, hat, snowflake. Am I going to put the scarf here? No, silly Mrs. Benchler. There's no scarf in this pattern. It has to be something from the pattern because it repeats. There is no scarf, so it can't be a scarf to repeat. So it's either going to be the snowflake or the hat. Okay? You're going to do this page, cut as nicely as you can because we're strengthening our handwriting skill or our handwriting muscles by using the scissors. Scissors are such awesome handwriting muscle strengthener activity. And then once you finish your patterns and extend your pattern, you can color in the pieces. I hope that you guys have so much fun, and I'm so excited to do more patterns with you.